snow, come shovel.
That's right, but for some, it's impossible to remove snow, and that's where one special group steps in. In this week's On the Job, Julie Moravchik introduces us to a group of UMD students who call themselves the Snow Angels.
Shut up. When winter strikes, they come to the rescue. Meet the Snow Angels.
We like to go out and help the communities.
It's a good feeling to see someone that, you know, is desperate for help and then giving them the help that they need.
The Snow Angels are volunteers who help the elderly and people living with disabilities by shoveling their snow. It may seem like a simple gesture, but if these angels did not show up, some Northlanders would be stuck in their homes for days.
We've had some people that we've set up for Snow Angels that have called back and was like, thank you so much for helping, you know, sending someone to help us because there was nothing else they could do.
This winter has been a snowy one, so the Snow Angels have been busy. The number of people who signed up for help went up from 15 last winter to 85 this winter.
We've had the most people sign up this year than ever before.
SERVE, Students Engaged in Rewarding Volunteer Experiences, has 35 volunteers and has been around for more than 30 years. They meet weekly, looking for new ways to serve the public. The group started the Snow Angels Project 4 years ago.
I've never really volunteered before, so I thought it would be a good chance for me to try it out and do something new and different with my time.
As they shovel one driveway, one sidewalk at a time, they are making a difference. A simple gesture that means so much to the people who feel blessed to have a visit from a Snow Angel.
We've gotten a lot of cards and stuff after we help out, and so I think that they appreciate it a lot.
But it means so much to someone, and it's something so easy that you can do.
With photojournalist Harry Baker, I'm Julie Moravchik, on the job for Fox 21 News.
If you need help shoveling this winter and you are elderly or disabled, you can call 726-6255 or email the Snow Angels at serve@umn.edu. They are also in need of volunteers, so you can contact them if you'd like to lend a hand.
All right, stocks lost ground today as Microsoft cut 5,000 jobs. Here's a look at the numbers.